I told you, don't let your dog out. Get down. I told you it was loud, don't let your dog out. Oh fuck, it just smacked me in my forehead, cocksucker. Yeah, maybe we do need to go outside the fence. I am. Hold on, let us go outside the fence. Come on, let's go over here so we can. You psycho! I'm literally walking backwards trying to get this shit. Okay. The yard is way too freaking close. Now I see why I said,
let me take my little boomerang.
that shit's just raining on me. We're both running from it. Ow! Shit's burning me. Shit's raining on me and it burns. Yeah, I know. Ugh. We're both running from it. Like, fuck that.
Fuck their fireworks.
Hey, their fireworks are pretty too.
Fuck their fireworks.
Does them hot fucking ashes suck ass?
I didn't even hit one.
We're both running from it.
Oh, that's gonna fall on that.
Maybe we should move back somewhere, girl. My neck hurts. That shit, bitch, I'm moving back. Fuck you. My ass. Oh, fuck. I'm running.
Okay, I'll be right here.
Okay, I'm standing right here. You see why we ran?
You see his little headlamp?
We both ran a block away from the house. I know, it's raining all around us.
My whole table is covered.
I ran.
Stuff. It's crazy.
I started recording it by the pool. Our asses ran. Literally, we ran. Oh, you hear that kid? That kid's so happy. Oh. That sulfur smells like dirty ass seats. I told you. Oh.
That's it. Not me. That's what it's all
They got bigger balls than I did. My ass is hiding back here. You hear that little boy laughing and squealing with delight? I love it so much. That just tickles my soul pink. Ooh. It's okay, sweetie. It won't hurt you.
It's probably loud. She don't like it.
You can cover your ears and watch it.
It's the noise and the ashes. She's like, I'm okay here.
It's not the noise that bothers me. It's the hot ass shit raining down on me and hitting me in my foot. I love those squeals of delight. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. That's making it all worth it hearing that little baby squeal. You hear him squealing?
Yes.
I love it so much. It makes it all the much more worth it. What is he, like 3, 4, 5 with those little squeals and giggles?
Just stay right there and turn around.
That's my niece's name.
Is it?
Yes, Lily Marie.
Just keep your ears covered.
Now you see why we came running down this way, huh?
It was killing me back there.
Oh yeah, I got flood trapped in my lungs. It's inoperable. There's no surgery to drain it. So that shit is killing me. The sulfur smells like dirty ass crap.
Right.
Yeah. Oh. I promised Dame I'd record it all though. I mean, he did all this because I threw a fit. I was like, I want to get fireworks! I want fireworks! Sure enough, he goes out and gets all these. Didn't I throw a fit, Jersey? She was like, I don't care, bitch. I mean, which? I'm watching them. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, back I go. Ah! Dang, that one scared me.
Right.
That would sound like a bomb went off, didn't it?
I need headphones now. I can't. I've got too much stuff on my shoulders.
It'll be over before you get here. I gotta go to bed. I gotta work tomorrow. I'll tell you when it's
Stand behind me in your camera.
Here. Stand right
Stand directly in between
like
us.
here, and then you
Yeah.
pull away that lock.
Ooh. I don't think that's the fireworks.
Right.
I just want her to know.
Sulfur smell is.
Yeah, I
Ooh.
just want her to know that's not me.
When I see the lights behind the gate, that's when I know I need to plug my ears.
We can do them freaking evenly. My arms can only go up and down so many times without cramping up. My right shoulder's burning. Oh, that's pretty. Now that's worth the stinky smell for me to have him set them fireworks off. Yeah, we had to run a block away because they were raining down on us when we tried to record my husband doing them, but they're amazing. You too. We wanted to do them at your thingy, but she had to work and couldn't get the day off, and the whole reason I did them is because I finally got her after adopting her over 2 years ago, and this is her first 4th of July literally with me, and I didn't want her to miss the fire. Shut up! Bitch! I mean, witch!
Hey,
Getting you?
the video you sent me, you were singing. You was like, this little bitch of mine.
Well, she pissed me off.
Watch your eyes.
You know if I just called her that? That's right, baby! Light it up! Oh, I'm sorry. Stand behind.
Still see Lily?
Yeah.
Pretty, isn't it? Loud and annoying and sticky, but pretty, huh?
Yeah. I wish it had no noise to it.
Yeah, or that stinky smell.
Right.
Ooh. We did pretty good, all right?
There's still one of the lights in the air coming.
We can't afford like we did the first year we did them because we're still building a bathroom one for her,
Oh, yeah.
but we're doing the best that we can. And we have to get the add-on finished or they're gonna cancel our insurance.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, which is total BS.
Oh, I see one coming.
I do too.
Oh gosh.
Pokey Loki Maloki. Want me to make you croaky.
The neighbors like, they hired Red, White, and Boom. Oh!
Did they really say that? Keith, did they really say that?
Yeah, we got this right here.
I don't like those ones.
You don't?
No.
They're loud and hurt your ears, don't
I
they?
like it when I'm inside the house, but when I'm outside, I feel like the world is ending.
It is not.
It does sound like a bomb. Well,
Right.
It does sound
Look at
like
all
a
the
bomb.
smoke everywhere.
Oh, can't you travel a different road, yo? But it's very beautiful. It's not a boom. It's gorgeous light.
Are you good, Lily?
I'll protect you, I promise. They stink, don't they?
If I die tonight, I'm blaming it on all of you guys.
You're not dying.
Lily! Oh my God! Are
I'm
you
not
Tony's daughter? Tony!
Yeah.
Lily just said if I die tonight, I'm blaming it on all of you guys. I said, Lily! Oh, I like you even more now. You're as blunt as me and just don't give a crap.
People call
I
me
can't see
Sasha.
them little peepers.
That little shit across the street.
Oh, they made ours, okay. Ooh. I'm sorry.
You're good. I've got ashes all
Oh.
over me. That's why I'm just brushing them off.
Me too, that's why I moved my car.
Oh, I'm trying to protect Lily.
Yeah, Lily has a whole human shield going on over here.
Literally.
I need everybody over here.
She needs everybody
she going
over
to work
here.
late to see this?
Yeah.
Where you work at, honey?
Walmart just started. And she's going to work late on the 13th too because we're going to the Octagon house. I went last month. She's going with me this
Oh,
month.
I've been there before, but that was like 2 years ago.
The haunt.
Yeah.
Did you go there
Yeah.
with your mom?
Yep. That was a long time ago.
I brought Sarah home with me.
What?
I brought Sarah home with me.
It's not long.
Oh, okay.
The little girl that was attached to the doll downstairs in the Octagon house.
Yeah.
The whole reason I went there is there was 5 children spirits that was trapped in that house.
Oh, wow.
I went to bring them home. Pat went with me. I recorded the whole experience and posted on my YouTube channel. Not only was I dead right about the amount of children and spirits in the house, freaking George attached to me and followed me home. I have to take him back this month. George is the one who owned the house. And that's just creepy.
When I went there, I literally was
It's about to be loud.
Get it, baby! It's pretty though, isn't it?
We'll brush you off. It's okay. Brush you off.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
If I die,
You're not
all
gonna
are
die.
gonna
Please
die
stop
with
saying
Okay.
that. You're young
I
and
don't like
beautiful and
this.
have a life to
Taking a
live.
shower
Quit
tonight.
saying if you die.
Bye.
You're not gonna die, baby girl.
If one is just pink, like
You're
straight-
not going to die. You have
no,
my
like,
word.
if one is like straight pure pink, then I will unplug my ears because I like. Oh, that was pink.
Well, that's the
kinda.
third or fourth time you said, if you die, and my love, you are not going to die on my soul. I will die jumping in front of it, protecting you before I let you die. You understand me?
I can't take my eye off of that little dot right there.
I think that's a star.
I know, it's just one singular star in the middle of the freaking show.
You're okay. You're okay. I got you.
I think I should have just stayed home
It's
and
hitting me
watched
too.
it from my house.
We're gonna have to take
Can
another shower.
Can you
now.
record for me so
Yeah.
I can?
How are you gonna see?
I'm not worried
My
about
head is
seeing.
black as hell.
My phone's recording it. All I'm worried about is protecting you. Okay.
What? I feel it.
I'm not gonna let you get hurt. I promise. You good now?
Yeah.
I'm just worried because you're scared and I don't want you to be
I'm
afraid.
not that scared. I'm not dying scared.
Well, quit saying if I die because that makes me very sad.
That's hey man.
I
They
think that was
said we
it.
hired red, white, and blue.